Okay, so for those of you that have the Optiplex 7010, the small form factor like the one shown here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the list of upgrades that I purchased for this particular machine. And they're right over here. So top left, we have the video card. It is a Gigabyte GT1030. I have the low profile card, and it has 2 gigabytes of memory. Then we come down here, we have the 8 gigabyte kit from Crucial. It is DDR3 1600 memory. And the last thing that I purchased was a USB Wi-Fi card. It's by Linksys. It is the AE6000. And those are the parts that I purchased for my Optiplex machine here. So you can go ahead and purchase these parts. I just use my machine for very light gaming, and it's just primarily my everyday workstation. I play games like Sim Airport, Civilization 3, so older type games. It works fine on medium. I think you can push it for newer type games on low, but so far these are good compatible parts that you can purchase for your Optiplex machine here.